Hi everybody, welcome to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison. Okay, today I want to show you how to look for day trading opportunities. I've been getting asked a lot of questions about trading and mostly about kind of day trading. Now, I don't day trade that much. I day trade a couple of coins that I think are really good. Tron was a really good one. I'm now holding Tron. Neblio was a really good one to day trade as well. But I want to show you how to find opportunities and what to look for and the tools that you can use to look for those trading opportunities. So what I'm going to do is I've just logged into Coinigy. Coinigy is a brilliant tool for looking for trading opportunities, but you can get it on KuCoin. You can see it also on Binance, the kind of charts on Binance as well. But I would definitely recommend going in for Coinigy. And if you can't afford it, then you're not doing something right. So I would definitely invest into Coinigy as well. I think it's a brilliant program. So what I'm going to do is just show you kind of some trading setups. Okay, so what we're looking for here, I've got the smooth moving averages for 4 days, 9 days, and 18 days. You can see green, orange, red. This is the 18 days, 9 days, and 4 days. Now, a lot of people say that's too small. You shouldn't really be doing the kind of days, the smooth moving average over those number of days. But that's what I've been using and it works really, really well for me. You can use maybe 725 and 99 instead for the moving average days. But this is what I use and it's worked really, really well. Also, we're looking at volume. You want the volume to be up there as well. Just to give you an indication of what's happening. If a coin is going up with no volume, it means something else. So you want to have volume there when you see a coin going up. You want to have volume when you see it going down as well. And also look at the RSI. So if you look at the RSI with that, you'll get a good indication of where it's kind of at as well. And I've got Bollinger Bands here as well. And the Bollinger Bands, we'll just kind of look at the settings for the Bollinger Bands. So the length is 20 and multiples of 2 there. And you can see the style there. It's just got the Bollinger Bands kind of up and down there outside the blue lines. I've got them highlighted in here so you can get a good glance. And that's all I'm using. Very, very simple technique. So what we're going to do is we're just going to scroll down in Binance. So over in Coinigy, I've got a lot of starred kind of ones. But over in Coinigy, we'll just kind of quickly go down Binance and see a good trading setup. So first one is we've got ADA, is Cardano. You can see here the 4 day has crossed down below the 9 day. It's also crossed down below the 18 day, so that's not a definite buying opportunity. Now, I go long. When I'm trading, I always go long. I don't short. I just don't like to do it. I've not got the capacity to do it as well. So I'm always looking for a long position to go on. And you can see here, this is down at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, or close to the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So this might be going up, but it's not got a good trading opportunity just now. We'll look at what else might be a good one. We're just going to look at the BTC positions as well. So this is not a good one to go into, AIM. What else? We will look. So I'm just going to go down the list until we find a good one. So this one might be. So we've got to remember as well, we're looking at the hour chart. So if we look at the hour chart for the good trading opportunities, because we're day trading after all, so we want to have a small kind of window there. So we want to look at the hour chart. You can do a 2 hour chart as well. And that's just to keep an eye on things. So you can see with AE, we've got an opportunity here, but there's a big kind of candle up there, a big green candle there on the 2 hour and the 1 hour. We'll see what it's like on the day chart. It doesn't really give us much there. So it's not good on the day chart, but they've just been kind of out. They're not out that long at all, to be honest. So that might be a good opportunity right there. I'm looking on the what size is that? So we'll just see what percentage that's gone up. It's gone up 2.5% over the last hour, which is big. So I would keep an eye on that and look at the next kind of candle that's coming out in the next hour. So I wouldn't jump into that. That's actually, yeah, I wouldn't jump into that. What other ones can we look at here as well? I just want to see a good setup. That's not a good setup. APPC. ARC is not a good setup. ARN, definitely not a good setup. So we'll just keep going down the list until we see a good setup. Right, here was a good setup. I don't think it's a good setup anymore. We've got AST. AST at 2,834 Satoshi. Currently sitting at 3,319. That's about, what, a 20% rise. So we'll see from there how much has gone up. It's went up 28% at its peak. And it's 16% just now. So when you're day trading, what you're looking for is good percentage numbers. You're looking, take all emotion out of this. Don't look at your favorite, if you're trading your favorite coin, take the emotion out of that altogether. And don't sit on it any more than you have to. So for this one, we can see, actually this was a brilliant trading opportunity down here. When it was at 2,489 Satoshi. It kind of crossed, the 4-day crossed both the 9-day and the 18-day, kind of kept on going up. Then it came back down, but didn't cross back down on the downside from the 4-day and the 9-day. It kept on going up, kept on going up, kept on going up. So if we'd got in here when it crossed, we'd probably get in just above there when the kind of indications became proper. So we'd have had a 44% return if we sold at the top. If we sold at the bottom, or we sold just now, we'd have a 32% return. So if you're putting in $10,000 or even $1,000 and you're getting $300 back, I would take that every day of the week, especially if it's only taking you hours to do that. So how long was that setup? Well, it was 2 days actually for that setup. So what a lot of people do is they might take profits up here, round about this area here, but you can see the 4-day is still above the 9-day, it's still above the 18-day, but it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and we've got an RSI indicator of 63, which is not extremely high, so it means this might still have somewhere to go. So what we'd do here is look at the next red candle, or look at the next candle to see if it's going to be green, is it going to be red? You can see there's a long wick down below here, so it's kind of gone up. It's went down to 3296, back up to 3350. So that might actually be a good opportunity, a good trading opportunity. But I think, for me, I would kind of look at that closely and say maybe the boat has sailed on this one. We're not catching it at just the right time. So we'll just look at a few others to see if we can catch a good one. Bitcoin Diamond, I wouldn't trade Bitcoin Diamond anyway, to be honest. But if we're taking the emotion out of it, then there's been good trading opportunities. It probably has been in the past, definitely not today. So I want to find a really good one that we could actually trade today. BNT is not one. BQX is not one. That's Ethos. We're still looking on the 1 hour chart. Bread is not one. So we'll just see. Nope, that's not one either. Chat. So I'm going to go to some of the ones I've been looking at. So Ripple, is that a good trading opportunity just now? Nope. At the moment, nope. Tron is not. Substratum is not. OMG is not at the moment. Nulls is not. Neos, it seems everything's gone down obviously just now. Neblio, that is a really good trading coin to be honest. Metal, that's kind of just gone down, so that's not a good trading one just now for a long. Litecoin. Litecoin has just presented a good opportunity there within the last 5 hours. So it crossed, the 4-day crossed the 9-day. Smooth moving average at 191,2071, so 1.91 million, and it's up at 1.95 million. How much has that gone up? Had we got into that? Probably just above there. So it's moved up 2.4% in the last couple of hours. Has that got more ways to go? It could have. It could have. So then when we see a possible breaking opportunity or a good opportunity, then we're going to look at the volume. So the volume confirms that this is a good rise. So there's a lot of volume in there. But the RSI indicator is up at 66 just now. Maybe on the high end. But this still might have somewhere to go. And 2.41%, is it going to go up another 8%? Probably didn't need to go up 8%. Yeah, so it'd need to go to 2 million Satoshi. So I don't think it's going to get there, so it might not be a good opportunity for Litecoin. That's too big a coin just now. So we'll just see a couple of others, see if there's any good opportunities there. Everything's down at the moment. Probably not a good time to do this video. Syndicator, nope. Bread, no, we've looked at that. BRD, nope. AST, and we've looked at this one already. So that was a good kind of buying opportunity there. And ADA. So that's how you look for trading opportunities. You can do it a different way if you want to set up your moving averages in a different way. You certainly can, but that's a good trading opportunity there. And use the Bollinger Bands as well. That just tells you where the kind of lower and higher end is, and the RSI indicator as well. This is still kind of on the low side. I think ADA is going to make a move up, but it's not crossed our position yet. It's went down. I still think it's going to move back up, but as we said, take the emotion out of it and just look at the charts. That's all you're doing, looking at the charts and looking for opportunities. I'm going to see if there's any more actually. Just have a quick look. It was seen before. Dash. Nope. Nope. Agrello Delta. Nope, that's on the way up though. That looks as if maybe in the next hour that might be going up. DNT. That is actually just crossed. But because of these big spikes up, I don't know, the volume is not there either. RSI is middling. So I'd probably bypass that, to be honest. Not perfect opportunity. ELF, nope. ENG, definitely not. ENJ, no. So I don't know if we're going to get one here on this video. Oh, there's a good one. That's kind of went up already, kind of big time. Well, not big time. So the 4-day crossed at 62753. So we'd have probably got it at roughly maybe 62952. What has it gone up so far? It's gone up 3%, so that might be a good opportunity there. EOS, it's kind of coming up from an all-time low. Not an all-time low, but it's coming up from a low point. So that actually might be a good opportunity. What was EOS saying now just now? I'll just have a look. EOS $5.53 was been high. $9.16, $10.24. So that actually might be a good opportunity there. It's only gone up 2%. 6269, it's now 65. And just see what it's traded like before. See what the indications are. Good time, and it comes back down. Going up, back down again. And it's got this kind of volatility to it. But it has been coming down a hell of a lot. So it might be a good time to get into EOS. And we know EOS is a good coin. Okay, so that's a possible. So I'll probably mark that. ETC, nope. EBX, nope. Fuel, fun. gas, GTO. GTO was a kind of relatively good one. How much did that move up? 13% at its peak. GBT, no, we kind of looked at that one. HSR. It's starting to cross. Kind of made us move up already. Maybe 5%, not that much. But again, that's sitting, coming off a low as well. That might be an indication it's starting to move. Excuse me. ICN. ICX, Icon. So there's not a lot out there just now. There's one that's just moved. It's still above the 18-day, which is good. 216. How much has it moved up? 10% already, but it's kind of moved up to about 6%. So it kind of went up and back down again. It's crossed over the 9-day. The 4 days crossed over the 9-day, but we're on a red candle just now. Okay, so you get the picture. You know how to look for the trading opportunities using this method. The RSI here is 55. Bollinger Bands are getting tighter. So that might be a good one. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button if you want to see more videos like this, or let me know what type of videos you want to see, and I'll certainly see if I can help out as well. But that's my very, very simple day trading strategy. Now, remember, day trading is not just trading within a couple of hours. You can trade a couple of hours, or it could last a week to 2 weeks. That's what day trading is. So if you're looking to do that, this is a very simple strategy to use. But when you're using this, have a set method. So when the kind of 4-day crosses the 9-day, for example, and it's for a long position, and then the time to get out is when the 4-day crosses back down over the 9-day, and just get out there. So for example, with this one, you might have got, it'd only been about 5%. But what you can do as well, what I'm looking to do is get 10-15%. So if I see a 10% rise and then I see a red candle, then I might get out there. So from this position, I'd maybe have gotten out at 10%, and that's still good. $1,000 in, $1,100 back. And if you keep doing that repeatedly over and over, you're going to get some losses, but you're going to get a lot of gains using this method as well, if you've got the time and you're willing to put in the effort to day trade. I run a business, but I still day trade only 2 coins. I just focus on a couple of coins that I day trade, and it's working out well just now. Okay, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Until then, namaste. Take care. Bye now.